you know that if you go inside her office, you become smarter?
Let's try it.
H-O-A-X plus X8.
Yeah!
Graph the following piecewise functions and answer the following.
Okay, to start graphing, we have to substitute the x's to find the y's. So here, this one, with an open dot because it doesn't say. And then the next one is x
We're stuck and there is no escaping now. Please don't.
that come from the left side of 1. So here we find x in 1.
You make me wanna rip my heart out. We're stuck and there is no escaping now.
Here we are trying to find the value that comes from the right side of 1. So it is minus 1. And here they ask us from both sides. But since we have an open dot here and a closed dot here, the limit does not exist.
My blood's infused with you.
Following piecewise functions and answer the following. Here we have x plus 3 when the x is smaller than -2. So we plot the numbers. And minus 4 when y is -1, we plot it here. Then -3 when y is 0, we plot it here. And -2 when y is 1. And since the x has to be smaller than -2, here is an open circle and it's aligned this way. Then here we have x minus 1 when x is greater than -2. So we go to -1, and then since the x has to be greater than -2, here we end it, and then to this way it goes all the way up. Then in here, the limit of f of x when x equals 4 is equals to 3. Then the limit of f of x when x equals -2, approaching from the negative side, the limit equals 1, because approaching from the negative side, it's in here, equals 1. And the limit of f of x when x is -2, approaching from both sides. Okay, here the 1 we get it when the x equals -2, 1, 2, because it's approaching from both sides, and here we can see that approaches 1 from this side and it approaches 1 from this side too. And then in here when the x is approaching to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, here there should be a dot in here, that is when it's approaching 3. For this problem, we're going to use derivative using definition. First, we're going to apply this formula, the equation in the formula. Then we are going to multiply everything.
Here you just have to cancel the positive with the negative ones.
Bien plaza.
You just copy the leftovers. You factorize. You cancel the H with the H. And here, the H is equal to 0. So here, you're gonna substitute. And the final answer